Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we're gonna do some blown insulation today. And we found that the customer's home has not too much insulation, and you want to have a good 19 to 20 inches in height of insulation. That gives you an R38 R value. And here is the machine right here, and you can see some of the insulation inside, and the propellers take it down that hole. And then it comes out on this side, comes out right through here, and then we have a long pipe that is it's up here. That's the hose. That one right here is the hose, and we go up these stairs. And by adding more insulation in this certain area of the house, it'll help with the heat radiation come in, and that room is a tad bit warm, so it'll give it it'll be cooler because obviously the sun can't come in, and it'll keep the house a lot cooler. Another happy customer. So we're gonna blow some bags in there and keep a happy customer. So again, blown insulation for a residential property, also commercial as well. Call us for AC heating refrigeration needs, 512-448-0532, 512-448-0532. You can find us at the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. Okay, 512-448-0532. Thanks guys, see you in the next video.